Hello, hello, hello. मैं लाइव ही है, तू नहीं आ रहा है. Hello, 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 hello. Hello, 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 hello. Thank you. आवाज क्लियर आहे का? हेडफोन घालून ठेवू का मग? ओके, लेट्स गो. मला तेवढं फक्त आणून देता तू. तेवढं आणून देऊ. कोणी येऊ नाही येऊ आजपासून म्हणजे हे होईल, चालू होईल पुन्हा. सो welcome to my YouTube channel. We are back again with live Forex Guru signals. Okay, so yeah, let's make this like this, and yeah, we are pretty bullish on weekly. Weekly, we have this, second weekly support created till here, right? 1 second. This one, this support, right? And you have bullish thing. Like, अगर तुम देखोगे, you have a wick till left, right? Here, this wick, this one to fill, right? This is the range we are sitting in right now. Now, if we go on daily, daily is pretty bullish, but we have a daily resistance right here. And what kept V1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So daily we have this resistance. On 4 hour we are pretty bullish, but the problem here why I'm not taking buys are like 4 hour, the current 4 hour don't have any bottom wick, right? So we should not take any buys, right? Because of it. ठीक है, अभी अभी क्या करूँगा, अभी वेट करूँगा, right? Waiting for this closure. Second, waiting for this closure. This is the 4 hour resistance 266.660. ये एक और लेवल है जहाँ से पास्ट में रिजेक्शन आ चुके हैं. लाइक if I show you, if you want to see, okay, here, 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 here. बहुत सारे rejections है, right? Thank you, Pratik. And so मैं कहना चाहता हूँ कि like as you can see, we are just now in like Tokyo Sydney session, we can say, but we will say this Asian session, right? You have pushed, like at least you have pushed fucking 100 pips, right? 100 pips you have pushed already. Now, is there any momentum we can think of to go up, right? This is the question now. So we will just wait, right? We will just wait for the ranges to form, and then we will execute buys and sells according to it, right? So I'm just waiting for my entries right now, and for sure we are extremely bullish. We want to take buys, but only if we, create some sort of, like structure. Like as of now, we were like pretty bullish. Like you can see higher high, high lows, higher high, high lows formed, but now will this 1 hour create a new high, right? We want this 1 hour to close about 2668 for the continuation of buys up, right? that's how I'm gonna look for more buys and sells, right? With this 1 hour thing, so let's have some ranges, right? Here, I wanna take buys if you close above this range, and that would be buys above closure, right? 2668 range, right? 2668. If you close above, no, not here. Around here. Okay. This sounds promising. 2668. If you close above, you have range till 2770, and this wick toward left can be filled, right? If you close above, you haven't closed above till now. But yeah, that's how I'm looking at it. Next 16 minutes, it would be 4 hour closure too, right? 4 hour closing above this range, but we need 4 hour bottom wick too. Can this 15 close above, right? Sells for me are gonna be below 2665, okay? Below this range. Yeah. Sells for me are below this range. Let me add a template. Settings. Sells below closure. Dun, 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 dun. So, like when this 30 minutes started, right? It didn't had this bottom wick. So I was gonna plan for direct sells from this 2668 area, but yeah, we don't get it. We don't get it, right? We don't get it. So it's 15 pips. Have to wait for your entries. So we are extremely bullish, guys. Okay, not gonna lie, we are extremely bullish. We need some sort of even this 4 hour close bullish, right? We need bottom wick. We can take sells, we can take buys. We can take both trades. Just we are just extremely bullish right now. Okay, waiting for positions, and yeah, then we can do things. Mm, no volume right now that I can see because you have pushed fucking 97 pips in this range, right? Now you're ranging. Like there are like three steps. I always like say that there are three steps where I learned it from a mentor. There are three stages of market, right? You all know that, right? You all know that. So it's like this, right? It's a drive. I'll show you guys, okay? It's a drive, this one. It's a range, this one. Then the next step is a liquidity. Liquidity can be up, liquidity can be down, right? And once that liquidity is, you will drive again, right? Or like this, if you get what I'm saying, right? If you want to know this better, I can explain it later, okay? So This is all at the pitch. Down, 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 down. Three watching. Three watching. It's just simple, right? We know what we are doing here. We are price action trader. We wait for a setup. We wait for closures. We want like a closure above this 2668 or closure below 2665. Simple. And you will say, how do you know it can't be fake out, right? Simple. We are bullish. Okay. I want to take buys. Simple. After 11 minutes, we will get 4 hour closure. Okay. 4 hour closing in 11 minutes, and we will see it going up, but we need a bottom wick. Okay, then that's why I'm saying we can take sells, we can take buys. It should make sense to you, right? It's just I'm waiting for my setup. It might show up now, it might show up after some time, but yeah, it will show up, right? Simple. Yeah, I was gone for so many days, but I'm live back. I'll be streaming daily now. So just, and I'll have good setup also, but it's just waiting game now, right? Feel free to ask for buy or sell. I'll tell you. You see, you see, like after this 1 hour bullish closure, right? This 1 hour bullish closure, this candle, this heavy bullish candle, it went up, right? But you see, most of the people are trapped here in the buys. Why? Why didn't it go up? Because of candles anatomy, right? You see, this candle has no top wick. When a candle has no top wick, it means it has no range to go up, and that's how it is. Most of the time it will happen. Now you see, this previous one I had little bit of bottom wick, little bit of top wick, and it just closed like this. Is this a strong bullish candle? Yeah, it is. But will it go up? No. Why? Because top wick and bottom wick are just ranges, right? We know that if there is a wick, see here it was a wick. This wick means a range that can be filled by the next candle. See, it filled like this. So yeah, now you will say, so bhai, we have a wick here. Why don't you take sells? It's just like we are in the range, right? If you go on smaller time frame, you will see how it's ranging. It's just bouncing in the like 20 pip range. I don't want to take any risk on my account on 20 pip range. I want to make sure I'm taking quality trades. I'm taking, you know, good trades, not like any trades here, like E plus setups. So E plus setups means, you should wait. You should wait. You should wait. It's just we are in range now, but I'm really confident to take buys, but we need some confirmation for buys. 4 hours gonna close extremely bullish. And I'll do reanalysis after this 4 hour close, okay? But not now. Okay, let's do it. Let's do it. Okay, let's do it. Let's make one 4 hour thing, right? I think it's good to do now. So as you can see, we are we sort of have this ranges, right? This I'll draw my resistance right here. Resistance, resistance, resistance. 4 hour resistance is up here. Support we can make here, okay. And yeah, this two thing till 4 hour, right? You have this 4 hour resistance here, here. This all things like if you mix up, right? You have this resistance. If you close above this, you can fill this wick to 660 TK. That I can see. Okay, this one blue. Okay, and here it would be buys above closure. Okay, and sells for me in this range. I'll see on smaller time frame, right? So 1 hour. If this 1 hour respect this level, right, in 6 minutes, if we close some sort of like bullish, or like turn flip, maybe we can look buy still 2670 again, right? Retesting the highs. But if we close bearish and next candle goes directly up like 4 hour candle, right? Next candle is 4 hour, right? It just went straight up here. Then I'll look for sells to fill this range, this all bullish movement will be, retraced. So 4 hour buys for me are 4 hours above this range. I think it's good buys till 2670 after bottom wick. Okay, it's simple. Okay, अगर ये 4 hour candle इसके ऊपर close होता है, then the next thing I'll need is a quite of a bottom wick. कहाँ पे bottom wick? It's just what you should say. क्या बोल सकते हैं? Like what you want in market, right? तुम्हें क्या चाहिए? मुझे चाहिए कि मार्केट 2663 तक आए बॉटम विक बनाने, देन अ फ्लिप, maybe I'll take this buys from here, right? If not, then no, I can't do anything, right? That's how it is. It is what it is. So I'll stream daily now. I know I have been not here, but I've been in market for past 1 year, right? Blowing couple of accounts, and yeah, maybe that's how everyone learns. That's how I learned. That's how I want to become disciplined. Hmm. 1 hour. On 30 minutes, we had this, yeah, we had this. Let's just have this there only. If we close below this, right, below 2665, we can have sells. But 4 hour candle is also closing bullish. Smaller time frame we can take sells, but higher time frame is all buys. Okay, all buys, all buys. Just some ranging going on right here, right? You see ranges. This all fucking. That's what we have done. Right? We are ranging. So I said you right. Drive range liquidity. We had a drive. We have a range. We need liquidity. Liquidity can be here. Liquidity can be here. Now it matters if you go here and then come back, for sure you're gonna up because we are bullish. And if you go up, then come down, no, no, for sure where you're going. This is simple, right? But then why most of the traders can't earn money? Patience, right? Patience. I have patience. I have time. It's not like I have to run somewhere, right? I want to wait. I want to take good setups. I want to take only and only A plus setup, right? A plus setup. So let's see. हम्म नहीं नहीं, बस अभी ट्रेड लेके निकलता। दरवाजा लगा, ठंड है भाई, ठंडी ठंडी। हाँ, इट इज व्हाट इट इज। क्या कर रहे हो? Oh, you are respecting this level. You are respecting this level. And why don't trade on 5 minute? 5 minute breakouts are most likely to be fake outs, right? It's just like trading with no confirmation. I trade on 5 minute when it is, news and something like that, but not like that. I have seen many times 5 minute and 1 minute works in news very, very nicely. Okay, so yeah, I guess Ura is gonna close above my level, but I need bottom wick. Okay, we don't have past historic data. Okay, here like we don't have much of candles left. For price action, what I do is see towards left, right? When I see toward left, I get this is a nice rejection area like 266.563. Okay, if we close above, we it means like we are gonna go up. If it close down, it means we are gonna reject, right? So I'm not gonna take direct sells if it close below, but if it close up, I need a bottom wick. Bottom wick area, I'll just mark, guys. Okay, at least 2664. If I know it's a low volume now, but it's a 4 hour candle, guys. So 4 hour candle must have a bottom wick. So this area, I'll have my bottom wick area. If you close above, next 4 hour candle comes with no top wick directly to this area, we'll look for direct buys. Okay, direct buys. So yeah, that's how I'm looking at it. Close above. Can't do much here. If it just ripped now, it is what it is. But I need a bottom wick because think about it. If you want to take buy right here, right? You're saying no, you know that it's gonna go up. I'm like, okay, you take buy right here. Tell me where the fuck you would have your stop loss, right? If you want your stop loss to be here, it's gonna be like 60 pip stop loss, and I don't want to trade like that. I want this 4 hour candle to come down, right? Like now it's coming down. Create a bottom wick. Tell me that this is the bottom wick. Flip again, buy stops, and go up. That's the safest way to trade, right? That's the safest way to have your money in check. I know most of the people when they have money, they're like, "Yes, I have money to trade now." And yeah, you have the money to trade, but sooner or later you will lose it, right? So now we will see on 30 minute what's happening. You are respecting this level, but you are ranging, right? And if you see if this 4 hour candle with this no top wick, it is a top wick, but if it comes heavily to 2663 areas, we can have direct buy stops, right? Buy limit, right? Here, buy limit. I'll just mark this zone as direct buy limit zone. This one, 2663.020. Okay. If it comes right there, if it doesn't, then what can we do for buy limit? And that's pretty far right now. you see this, I said previously, right? For a wick is nothing but a range to fill, right? But why can't I take direct buys from this rip? Is like if you see on lower time frame, we are just ranging in this box, right? From this this range, right? This is the range you are sitting in. And I don't want to trade in this range. This is so fucking small, 665 to 668. That's nothing but to lose money. You see this candle closed bearish with no top wick. It means no room to go up, and I don't want to trade like this. I want to trade with my setups. So yeah, can still take sells, but I do believe. As you need liquidity, okay? This move up is not my move, okay? I'm not gonna lie. Let's watch Dixie. Dixie will help us, right? Dixie. Here's Dixie. Okay. What's Dixie doing? Weekly candle going up without a bottom wick. It's gonna come down. If it's gonna come down, gold's gonna go up. Daily candle, previous daily candle closed bullish. This candle is coming down. That's why gold is moving up. But still, I think it's gonna go up. No, we have this resistance right around here. Okay. DXY, DXY. 4 hour candle struggling, going up, coming down, going up, coming down. This is gonna go up, and it's gonna go up right now. Can we look for some sells? But it's gonna go down, okay? Overall DXY is gonna go down, so gold move up, okay? Gold move up. So yeah, patience. Patience, guys, patience. I was gonna like I had two plans over here, okay? एक था कि like if it comes to this level like 2668 directly, which it tried to come, okay, there from here, like what's the range? I wanted it to tap here so I can take direct sells because 4 hour candle, new 4 hour candle doesn't have bottom wick, so I will expect it to create one right before going up, but it didn't, right? It didn't. So yeah. Hmm. Only if it tries to break here, right? We can have some sells. It's ranging, so we can, but we need to tap there at least. If it flips now, then this idea I'll delete it. Okay, this sell idea I'll delete it. Sell from here, wala. But if you come again, then we will expect it to go further Flipped. Now we can't do these cells, okay? That cells are not valid anymore. See, film on minute 15 minute is gonna go up 30. Yeah, this resistance we can't take buys off the rip, right? We have, what the fuck is this range, right? From here to here, 8 pip, no range, right? What up? We have 18 pip clean range, so we can't take trades. The 4 hour look pretty clean, okay? Not gonna lie, 4 hour is so clean to go up, but oh, did we close up? Yeah, we did close up. Mm-hmm. 15 minutes gonna close, okay? In the range. I need gbpjpy. What's gbpjpy doing? Okay, let's see gbpjpy, guys. Okay, let's know everything from here. Let's go on weekly. First I'll do this. So we were heavily bullish. Okay, we tapped into this weekly support area. We have weekly resistance up here. Up here, you close above. Now you have the range to fill till here, right? Okay. So we are previous weekly closed bullish, doji, previous daily closed bearish. You created a bottom wick. So GBPJPY is not looking good too. GBPJPY is just ranging. Not giving that move, I guess. What's this fucking move from here to here? Morning, you have this 7 pip. GBPJPY is also not moving. It's not good here also, okay. ठीक है, मेरे को लगता है गोल्ड को एक बार देख के आज की स्ट्रीम यहीं पे खत्म करते हैं। ट्रेड नहीं मिल रहा है तो फोर्स नहीं कर सकता मैं खुद को। ट्रेड can't I can't oof range, like see, you see this range, right? It's just ranging in this box. Do you want to trade in this box where you will lose everything? Or do you want to trade out of this box where you have a range, right? If you close below this range, you have this fucking clean range, 28 pip. Above, you have some range till 15 pips, but right here, you have nothing. Nothing. Let's look at some JPY pairs, right? JPY. gbpusd. Clear downtrend, but you have tap here. This move can be go up. EURUSD doing something. natural gas, natural gas, XAUSD. So I guess that's it for today. That's too long. No trades because of this fucking ranging market, right? You tried pretty hard in the Tokyo session or Asian session. This is two Asian session, but now you are ranging. You need liquidity to go up or down. So that's it, I guess, for me. And see you in NY session. NY session. NY. So yeah, that's it. That's it. Hmm. Nothing is looking good to me right now. This conditions of market doesn't allow me to trade. My setups are not gonna work here. Put and pip range. Like not work in the sense don't have any edge here, edge of the market. We don't have edge. So gold doing its job as it is. You know what? I don't know, but I think most of the people are gonna trade here and lose shit ton of money here. Okay, they are buying, selling, buying, selling, buying, selling, buying, selling, and nothing is happening, right? So we will rather just stop the stream and say, okay, gold, fuck off, and we'll trade you later.